Hello, my name is Mike Diaz. I'm the instructor here for the Texas LTC4U.com website, and today we're going to be talking about the process for you to obtain your license to carry here in Texas. And there's a lot of benefits for that, and we're not going to go over it in this video, but if you look in the description below, I am going to put the other video, the benefits, and there are a lot of benefits. The LTC process here in Texas is very, very simple, pretty straightforward, and so there's nothing really to worry about, but there are some things that you need to pay attention to, and hopefully we can show you that, and when you get done watching this video, you'll see that you could probably do it with plenty of ease. So let's get started. If you are considering applying for your Texas license to carry, congratulations on taking this big step forward and exercising your First Amendment right. And whether for personal protection, recreational purposes, obtaining your LTC is pretty straightforward, as I said, but it does require attention to detail. In this video blog, we're going to walk through each step so that you know exactly what to expect and how to get your license with ease. All right, let's talk about the money. Money is always important for everybody. Fortunately, there's not a whole bunch of money you got to dole out to get your LTC. For the state, you're going to pay $40. It's pretty simple. If you are a veteran, you get a discount for $25. If you're active military, you actually don't have to pay anything to the state to get your LTC license. There are other folks that get discounts, like county jailers, correctional officers, that don't have to pay anything, and there's a list of other discounts and those that don't have to pay. Here's the link right here that you can go to. I'll also put the link down below so that you can go straight to the DPS website, and they have a long list of the fees that you have to pay. All right, let's move on to step number one. Ensure you meet the eligibility requirements, which is really important. You don't want to do a lot of the money just to find out they do the background check and that you don't qualify. So before you begin the application process, make sure you meet these basic criteria. You have to be 21 years of age. If you're active military, it's only 18 years. You do need to be a legal resident of Texas or qualify under reciprocity agreements if applying from another state. And you cannot have any felony convictions. Certain misdemeanors will also disqualify you, or if you have any pending criminal cases. You also need to be mentally and physically fit to carry a firearm safely. One of the most important steps is completing a state-approved Texas LTC training course. At Texas LTC for You, we make it easy by offering an online course that you can complete from anywhere, so long as you have a PC and internet access. The course will cover 4 different topics, which are mandated by the state, and the course has to be 4 to 6 hours in length. So the course covers the 4 food groups that they tell us we need to teach, which is Texas gun laws and regulations, firearm safety, nonviolent conflict resolution, and proper handgun use. Once you finish the course, you'll need to pass a written test and a shooting proficiency test, which can be arranged with a local instructor. It doesn't have to be us. And if you live in the metropolitan area of San Antonio, we can provide the qualification testing for you. All right, let's move on to step 3. Step 3 is gathering the required documentation. After passing the course, you'll need to collect the following documents to submit your LTC application. The first thing is your certificate of completion. This proves that you took our online course, or any state-approved course naturally. And what's going to happen is after you go through our website and take the training, we will send you that certificate. The next thing you need to do is provide a government-issued ID, which would be a valid Texas driver's license or ID card. Next, a proof of residency. If your ID doesn't reflect your current Texas address, you'll need to provide additional documentation like a utility bill to prove your address. And military documentation if applicable. If you're looking to get one of the discounts for military, you'll need to provide that as well. Let's move on to step 4. In step 4, you'll need to submit your online application. Once you have your documents in order, it's time to apply online through the Department of Public Safety or the DPS website, and you'll need to follow the following steps. Visit the DPS License to Carry portal and create an account. There, you'll complete the online application form, providing personal details and answering eligibility questions. You got to be truthful here because they will do a background check, so everything you do should be truthful as you complete this process. Then you're going to upload your required documentation, including your training certificate and ID. And the last thing you'll need to do is pay the application fee online. Fees vary depending on your status, like your military or any other kind of discounts that you may get for different jobs you may have. All right, let's move on to step number 5. Step 5, schedule your fingerprint appointment. After submitting your application, you'll need to schedule an appointment to have your fingerprints taken through Identigo. This is a service provider for DPS. You'll need to book an appointment online and select a location closest to you. Don't forget, you need to bring a valid ID and the appointment confirmation to your fingerprint session. All right, let's move on to step number 6. They will be checking your criminal history, verifying your eligibility status, and they will process your license application. All right, let's move on to step number 7. All right, step 7. Receive your Texas LTC. After your background check is cleared, you'll receive your Texas license to carry in the mail. From there, you can legally carry a concealed handgun or openly in a holster across the state of Texas and any other states that recognize the Texas LTC. Okay, applying for the Texas license to carry might seem daunting at first, but by breaking it down into the manageable steps, it becomes a smooth and efficient process. At Texas LTC for You, we are committed to helping you through each one of these stages and completing your online LTC course and navigating the application process. If you're ready to start your journey towards obtaining your LTC, visit our website at texasltc4u.com to enroll in our online course. Thank you for watching this video, and God bless.